Right, these are the North Tower elevators at the Sheraton Hotel in Dallas. This is a low-rise one. I guess I'll try to film all the elevators as possible. I thought I was not because it was far. L. That L button, the L button light is burned out. These are innovation decorator fixtures.